What's happening? I'm here with Ben. This is try number 2 at Taylor Creek for the redfish. But all we have is ducks still. Just like last time. Well, let's go look. So where we found it before. Yeah, but this is all new. It's okay. 9 feet. And there's a pathway right there.
What's our hint?
I don't think it has a hint. We've always looked under this over here. Nine feet.
Mm-hmm. It's over. So they say you're going to get your hint.
The water's all frozen right now. I know you can hear that coyote barking. It stopped. He heard me. All right, no luck today again. Second try this year. We've been looking for some years. But at least we got to see some redfish today. Tons of muggles taking pictures of nothing. All right, so we're done at Taylor Creek. We are now on our way up Fallen Leaf Road or something, I don't know. Cache a day in 2009. We gotta get a find for today. There's been too many DNFs in a row.